In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up an account on VPN-Super Unlimited Proxy. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so as you can see here, I've already downloaded my VPN-Super Unlimited Proxy. Is here. If you're yet, then you need to go ahead and visit vpnsuper.com, and from here, go to downloads here and choose, and here you'll be able to download the VPN for Windows. Right from here, you can also sign in to your account even before you download the app, so that once you have downloaded the app, you can directly sign in. So for my case, I'm yet to sign in, so I'll proceed and just click on sign in, and this will redirect me to the official website where I can now sign up. And here, if you already have an account with this VPN, you need to go ahead and enter your email here. However, for my case, I'm new, and therefore I'll go ahead and choose the last option, don't have an account, and click on subscribe to sign in. Now at this point, you'll be taken to this page where you have to choose your plan for you to sign in. So choose your preferred plan, and once you just click on it, you'll be required to enter your email and your credit card details for you to create an account. So by following these steps, you'll be able to create an account on VPN-Super Unlimited Proxy. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.